Welcome. Today we will see problem number 5. Draw root locus and comment on stability. GHHS is equal to 20k into s plus 5 divided by s into bracket s square plus 2s plus 7. Therefore, step 1, number of poles and zeros. Here poles are s is equal to 0 and s is equal to that quadratic equation. We have to find out its roots, that is s is equal to, we'll find out its roots. S is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Therefore s is equal to minus 2 plus minus square root of 4 minus 4 into 1 into 7 divided by 2 into 1. Therefore s is equal to minus 2 plus minus square root of minus 24 divided by 2, which is equal to minus 2 plus minus 4.89j divided by 2. Therefore s is equal to minus 1 plus minus 2.44j. Therefore 3 poles are there, that is p is equal to 3, that is s is equal to 0, s is equal to minus 1 plus 2.44j, and s is equal to minus 1 minus 2.44j. There, and number of zeros, z is equal to 1, that is s is equal to minus 5. Therefore number of branches going to infinity, n is equal to p minus z, which is equal to 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Now therefore draw the or locate the poles and zeros on the graph. Y axis imaginary axis, x axis real axis. This is 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 5. Now first pole is s is equal to 0, therefore locate s is equal to 0 here. Now second pole, minus 1 plus 2.44j, therefore this is minus 1 plus 2.44, go to upward side, locate 2.44j, therefore this is the second pole, minus 1 plus 2.44j. Third pole, minus 1 minus 2.44j, go to the downward side, minus 1 minus 2.44j, and s is equal to minus 5, that is 1, 0 is there, or 0 you have to represent it by circle. Find out root locus region, no root locus region. Consider first of all first pole, that is 0, towards right side of this p plus z is equal to 0, therefore no root locus region towards right side of 0. Now consider this second pole, minus 1 plus 2.44j, towards right side of this only one pole is there and 0 zeros are there, therefore p plus is equal to 1, z is equal to 0, therefore p plus 1 is equal to 1 plus 0 is equal to 1, therefore addition of p plus z or summation of poles and zeros is equal to 1, that is even odd number. Therefore between 0 and minus 1 plus 2.44j and minus 1 minus 2.44j root locus region exists between 0 and minus 1 plus minus 2.44j. Now consider next minus 5, towards right side of minus 5, how many poles and zeros are there? P is equal to 3, that is 0, minus 1 plus 2.44j and minus 1 minus 2.44j, and z is equal to 0. Therefore p plus z is equal to 3 plus 0 is equal to 3. Therefore towards right side of minus 5, odd number of poles and zeros are there, therefore towards right side of minus 5 root locus region exists. Therefore this is the root locus region. Now we have to determine angle of asymptotes and we have to determine centroid. Therefore step 2, centroid and angle of asymptotes. Therefore sigma is equal to summation of real parts of poles minus summation of real parts of zeros divided by p minus z. Therefore sigma is equal to 0 minus 1 minus 1 minus of minus 5 divided by 3 minus 1, which is equal to minus 2 plus 5 divided by 2. Therefore sigma is equal to 1.5. Therefore locate centroid, sigma is equal to 1 plus 1.5 here, and now determine the angle of asymptote. Therefore angle of asymptote, since number of branches n is equal to 2, therefore you have to use only two values of q, that is q is equal to 0 and q is equal to 1. Therefore theta 1 is equal to 2 into 0 plus 1 divided by 2 into 180 degree. Therefore theta 1 is equal to 90 degree. Theta 2 is equal to 2 into 1 plus 1 into 180 degree divided by 2, which is equal to 270 degree. Therefore plot these two angles through the centroid. Therefore we have plotted theta 1 is equal to 90 degree and theta 2 is equal to 270 degree. Now breakaway point. The characteristic equation is 1 plus GHHS is equal to 0. Therefore 1 plus 20k into s plus 5 divided by s into bracket s square plus 2s plus 7 into 1 is equal to 0. Therefore s cube plus 2s square plus 7s plus 20k into bracket s plus 5 is equal to 0. Therefore s cube plus 2s square plus 7s plus 20k s plus 100k is equal to 0. Therefore from 1, 20k is equal to minus of s cube plus 2s square plus 7s divided by s plus 5. Therefore k is equal to minus of s cube plus 2s square plus 7s divided by 20 into s plus 5. Therefore differentiate this equation 3 with respect to s and equate it to 0, that is dk by ds is equal to 0. Therefore minus of 3s square plus 4s plus 7 into 20 into bracket s plus 5 minus of 20 into bracket 1 plus 0 into bracket minus s cube minus 2s square minus 7s bracket complete divided by 20 into s plus 5 bracket square is equal to 0. Therefore this 20 into s plus 5 bracket square will go to towards side, it will become 0. Therefore minus 3s square minus 4s minus 7 into 20s plus 100 minus of 20 into bracket minus s cube minus 2s square minus 7s is equal to 0. Therefore minus 60s cube minus 300s square minus 80s square minus 400s minus 140s minus 700s plus 20s cube plus 40s square plus 140s is equal to 0. Therefore making this addition and subtraction, we are getting minus 40s cube minus 340s square minus 400s minus 700 is equal to 0. Therefore s cube plus 8.5s square plus 10s plus 17.5 is equal to 0. Therefore s is equal to minus 7.475 and s is equal to minus 0.5122 plus minus 1.441 j. Put s is equal to minus of 7.475. Now two values of s we have got. We have to see that whether it lies in the root locus region or no root locus region. The value which lies in the root locus region, we can say that there exists root locus region. Now we have seen that root locus region exists between this 0 to minus 5. 0 to minus 5. Therefore we can say that now this s is equal to breakaway point should be real value, always remember. Another rule is that, first rule is that breakaway point should lie between the root locus region, that value we have to take only. And second rule is that breakaway point should be real value, it should not be imaginary. Therefore this s is equal to minus 0.5122 plus minus 1.441 j, this is not valid, and this s is equal to minus 7.475, this is also not valid because this does not lie in the root locus region. Therefore next, intersection with imaginary axis. The characteristic equation is s cube plus 2s square plus 20k plus 7 plus into s plus 100k is equal to 0. Therefore by Raoult's array, now s cube s square s raised to 1 s raised to 0, here 1 20k plus 7 2 100k. Therefore by multiplication by 100k into 1 minus 2 into 20k plus 7, that is 40k plus 14 minus 100k divided by 2, and s raised to 0, 100k term will be there. Therefore from the Raoult's array we are getting 14k minus 60k divided by 2 is equal to 0. Therefore 14 is equal to 60k, k is equal to 14 divided by 60, therefore k is equal to plus 0.233. As k is positive, it must intersect with imaginary axis. From Raoult's array we have AS is equal to 2S square plus 100K is equal to 0. Therefore 2S square plus 100 into 0.233 is equal to 0. Therefore 2S square is equal to minus 23.33. Therefore S square is equal to minus 11.66. Therefore S is equal to plus minus 3.414. Therefore minus 3.414J. Here J has not been written. Therefore this is the intersection with imaginary axis, plus 3.414J and minus 3.414J. Now angle of departure, as poles are complex, hence angle of departure is calculated as. Therefore first of all connect all the poles and zeros to this second pole, that is minus plus 2 minus 1 plus 2.44J. Connect this like this. Therefore first 5P1 we are getting as 180 degree minus tan inverse of this 2.44, this height 2.44 divided by this 1. Therefore 180 degree minus 67.71, which is equal to 112.29 degree. 5P2 is equal to 90 degree, and 5Z1 is equal to tan inverse of this much height, that is 2.44, divided by this 4, plus this much distance is 4 between minus 5 and minus 1. Therefore tan inverse of 2.44 divided by 4, therefore 5Z1 is equal to 31.38 degree. Therefore summation of 5P is equal to 112.29 plus 90 degree is equal to 202.29 degree. Summation of 5Z is equal to 31.38. Therefore phi is equal to summation of 5P minus summation of 5Z, which is equal to 202.29 minus 31.38, which is equal to 170.91 degree. Therefore angle of departure is phi d is equal to 180 degree minus phi, which is equal to plus 9.09 degree at minus 1 plus 2.44J, and at minus 1 minus 2.44J it is phi d is equal to minus 9.09 degree. Therefore these two angles are there, 9 degree and minus 9 degree. Therefore draw the graph, real x-axis real axis, y-axis imaginary axis. Draw the, locate the angle centroid 1 plus 1.5. Draw the angle of asymptotes, theta 190 degree, theta 2 180 degree. Then root locus is having two branches. First branch will exist between 0 and minus 5. This is the first branch, it will start. Now two branches are there, only two branches means at two complex poles. Therefore at minus 1 plus 2.44J draw the 9 degree angle, positive 9 degree plus 9 degree. At this minus 1 minus 2.44J minus 9 degree, and draw it tangential so that it will intersect at plus 3.44J and at minus 3.44J here, and therefore this is your root locus. Thank you very much.